The food with the most protein is not beef, it's not eggs, and it's definitely not chicken.
Imagine if I told you that the most powerful superfood in the world isn't steak, or eggs, or even chicken breast, but something else. Something you would never, ever think of. A food so shocking, so controversial, that most people don't even want to say its name out loud. Well, this viral video claims exactly that. And if it's true, it could change how we think about nutrition forever. Stick around, because halfway through this video, I'm going to reveal the actual truth. And trust me, it's not what you expect. So here's the wild claim. This video says semen is the ultimate protein source. Yes, you heard that right. According to the animation, it has more protein per gram than beef, chicken, or eggs. They call it a single-cell powerhouse, packed with all the essential amino acids your body needs. And best of all, no cooking required. Sounds insane, right? But let's break it down. If this were true, think about what it would mean. No need for expensive protein shakes. Forget about grilling chicken or boiling eggs. The world's most complete protein could literally be free. It almost sounds like the future of nutrition. But is it too good to be true? Let's imagine it for a second. Imagine athletes replacing whey protein with this, bodybuilders lining up not at the supplement store, but somewhere else entirely. Picture ads on TV, now with 20 grams of all-natural protein per serving. Nutritionists would go crazy. Supermarkets would change forever. Forget chicken breasts. This would be the real muscle food. The video even goes as far as making it sound like the perfect, natural solution. High in amino acids, no preservatives, and supposedly all bioavailable. If you only watched the first half of this video, you'd honestly think scientists just discovered the fountain of protein. But here's where the story flips. Okay, let's stop here. Because while this video is hilarious and shocking, it's not actually true. Yes, semen does contain protein, but nowhere near the levels this video makes it sound like. In reality, the average sample is about 5% protein at best. Most of it is water, plus sugars, enzymes, and other compounds. To put in perspective, a single serving of chicken breast has about 25 grams of protein. The same serving size of semen, less than 0.3 grams of protein. So no, it's not replacing your post-gym shake anytime soon. The viral video exaggerates wildly for comedic and shock value. So where did this myth even come from? Part of it comes from the fact that semen does contain amino acids, enzymes, and trace minerals. But just because it has those nutrients doesn't mean it's a realistic food source. It's more of a biological fluid with a mix of components, not a meal. And nutritionally speaking, beef, chicken, eggs, beans, they're still the true kings of protein. Of course, online people couldn't stop laughing. The comments are wild. Some people acting disgusted, others joking about starting a new protein brand, and a lot of folks just wondering who decided to make this animation in the first place. And honestly, that's the point. It's not about giving you a real diet plan. It's about getting people talking, laughing, and sharing. And in that sense, it definitely worked. So here's the takeaway. No, semen is not the new superfood. Yes, the video is clever in how it shocks you into paying attention. And once again, the internet proves it can turn literally anything into a viral moment. But hey, if you want real protein, stick to your chicken, your eggs, your beans, or your shakes. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and let me know in the comments. What's the craziest health claim you've ever heard online? Until next time, stay skeptical, stay curious, and stay healthy.